Dimika kwa press conference. Yet it's a friend for some Mumbra party office, MA party. Sign on the press conference. I'm out for the Bolivia. No more Dimika. Our friend Central 4. And Central 4 is to be free, and I'm a one. And I must say, the Babacano concerned members of MPP. I work with Yatro Ebukrataso. Now, you be kind of brofo. You be a media for more, you be mamma. Now, yes, Remoko can send Yatro on Macan Sama. And I must say, a kind of brofo we are. You bet trying Yatrasi, oh, Yakasum, I treat. Into me, be chassis and Macan. Okasape Wahame. Near Macan can't shut down yet. Into Kasape, may confused. Into Mr. Menkasa, and Michelle. Yechia Bibia, Yechia Ganafuna, Yechia Akutia constituency for a moon penny for an empala, a coupon Shubia, or a dry Ecto MPP, among your poor. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. On Thursday, 10th December 2020, the nation witnessed a Machiavellian tactical press conference organized by a section of greedy constituency executives in Akwetia constituency, led by the political entrepreneur MPP chairman of Akwetia, Baba Yakubu, popularly known as Baba Yanko. The press conference, which was mainly targeted at tarnishing the hard-earned reputation of our hard-working MP, Honorable Mercedes Jenfi Amase, was unfortunate. It was crass, it was uncultivated, it was stomach-turning, and lacked logical credibility, to say the least. We wish to address the issues raised, especially those alleged by the party chairman, Baba Yanko. As for our bad managed, ignorant constituency organizer, Kojo Owusu, the least said about him, the better. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, it was clear to everyone here in Akwetia constituency that changing the Honorable Amase was that virus which could lead the MPP to lose our slot in Parliament. Why and how come then did we change her? This is the question, and we have the answers. 1. Greed coming from selfishness, envy emanating from jealousy, hatred growing out of envy. By Kate Abena Jimfua, the National Women's Organizer of the MPP. Ladies and gentlemen, how and why then did we change Honorable Amase? I repeat. 1. Greed coming from selfishness. 2. Envy emanating from jealousy. 3. Hatred growing out of envy. By Kate Abena Jimfua, the National Women's Organizer of the New Patriotic Party. Kate Jimfua has become a rich demigod of Akwetia constituency. What we see today in Akwetia started way back 2015, when Kate Jimfua was the Deputy National Women's Organizer and Amase was the Constituency Women Organizer and major financier of our party between 2012 and 2016. This was the period when the MPP was in the position, and indeed, she was the main financier during the 2016 campaign, where she overthrew the infamous Baba Jama, who was also deputy minister under the John Mahama administration. In 2016, ladies and gentlemen, when we were preparing to go for primaries to elect a candidate to face Baba Jama, the constituency executives at the time decided to present a woman for strategic reasons. Their preferred candidate initially was Kate Jimfua. She declined on the basis of her lack of education and inability to speak English if eventually elected to parliament. Fast forward. In 2016, when we were preparing to go for primaries to elect a candidate to face Baba Jama, the constituency executives at the time decided to present a woman for strategic reasons. Their preferred candidate was Kate Abena Jemfua, but she declined on the basis of her lack of education and inability to speak English if eventually elected to parliament. Fast forward, Amase availed herself to contest. In fact, she sacrificed herself to contest. A decision Kate Jemfua did not only find disgruntled with, but went ahead to work against Honorable Amase through primaries to her main contest against the NDC. Ladies and gentlemen, it is common knowledge here in Akwetia that Madam Kate Jemfua supported Baba Jama to push the then candidate Amase to lose 2016 election, but she failed totally. Madam Kate Jemfua cannot refute this particular allegation as there are living evidences. Kate Jemfua managed to lobby for her cousin, said Ofosu Brekwine, to be appointed as the district chief executive, as she just wanted to use the office to frustrate Amase as MP for Akwetia. Unfortunately, since 2017, all attempts made by some community chiefs and elders to unite this impasse between the two women failed, as Kate Jemfua in most cases will not honor such invitations. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, our defeat in 2020 was designed by a cabal between the National Women's Organizer Kate Jemfua, the DCE Seth Brekwine, who is her cousin, the party chairman Baba Yankro, the late first vice, the second vice, the organizer Kojo Wusu, and the woman organizer. Madam Kate Jemfua has become a rich demigod, a Galamsey kingpin, who owns almost all mining concessions around the area, and therefore have resorted to the use of intimidation, vilification, tricks, manipulation, exploitation, and selfish intent in dealing with party people. Indeed, she used her power extended to her by the party to determine who can mine and who cannot mine in Akwetia. If you happen to be on the Amase side during the primaries, your site allocation is taken from you. As a matter of fact, you will be called to the DCE's residence and given options to choose between supporting Amase and your job. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the road to our defeat in 2020. Fellow Ghanaians, Amase had the popularity, advantage, distinct personality. She was humble and was loved by many across the constituency. We should have maintained her. Amase actually won the primaries, but was denied her rightful results and further denied the modest request for recount of the ballot papers. We should have recounted to allow the truth to prevail. During the heat of the campaign, when the Honorable Kennedy Japan visited the constituency for a walk, he advised the PC, the parliamentary candidate, Yao Enesumi, and the party executives to find ways to apologize to Honorable Amase and ask for forgiveness as she has been stolen in the primaries. This was their response, and I quote, "We have not bought anything from her. We have not credit anything from her. We do not owe her any apology." At this point, we, the sympathizers of the MPP, realized that there was no way the imposed candidate was going to win, because all our strongholds have lost hope in the party. and were threatening not to vote on the election day at all. As this would affect His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Honorable Amase told the whole constituency to inspire people with the good things the President has done, which needs continuation, and encourage them to come out in their numbers on the election day to vote. It is therefore completely false. It is therefore completely false that during her tour, Honorable Amase asked constituents to vote against the MPP candidate or vote in favor of the NDC candidate. This is a calculated attempt by the now disgraced party chairman to tarnish the good image of Honorable Amase and should be treated with the contempt it deserves. Again, on the election day, Honorable Amase voted very early and left for a regional monitoring assignment at Etiwa East. It is therefore a blatant lie for the party chairman to suggest that she was sharing money for people to vote against Yaw Ernest Kumi. This is unthinkable, and we hope you ignore it. We want to talk about geographical discrimination of power here in Akwetia constituency. Even the Constitution of Ghana encourages geographical distribution of power at all levels. That is the spirit behind the idea to leave some constituency executive positions for appointment, so that areas that do not have representation, people can be appointed from such places. Madam Kejemfua, who is the National Women's Organizer, Honorable Kinsey Akomi Kusi, who is the regional chairman of our party, the GCE set for Supreme Crime, the parliamentary candidate Yaw Ernest Kumi, and the presiding member of the assembly all come from one out of the 5 zones in the constituency. Meanwhile, Akwetia Township, where Amase comes from, together with Buebia, forms almost about 50% of the voter population. After all this, the party chairman, in his rejected press conference, only sought to pitch the other towns against Akwetia Township. This is a high-level classical leadership failure on his part. Now we want to talk about the unpopular candidates that they choose for us. People of the media, the MPP candidate, Ernest Yakumi, saw the most flamboyant campaign witnessed in Akwetia constituency, but still lost. Not only because he had zero popularity in the constituency, but also because he failed as a PC to bring unity among the factions of the party. Indeed, he rather spent most of his precious campaign time trying to vilify Honorable Amase instead of focusing on his message and the opponent NDC. Unfortunately for the parliamentary candidate, he also surrounded himself with divisive young men as campaign team, most of whom were only seeking their desperate financial and political interests as against the interest of the party. Undeniably, most of them only wanted to be seen working so that they can gain advantage in the next constituency level elections. Due to this, they were not ready for unity with the Amase sympathizers, as they would not open up for competition for constituency elections. On the election day, indeed, most of these young men were given huge sums of money to share to voters, but ended up pocketing all these monies. We have evidence. On 1st December 2020, barely 6 days to election, our parliamentary candidate granted an interview on Joy News TV, where he clearly stated that he was going to win overwhelmingly, even without the support of Amase and her involvement. It is therefore baffling to see this agenda trying to pat blames on Amase. We saw this as a scheme to start preparing the minds of the constituents for an impending defeat and who should be blamed if eventually it happens. His handlers should have advised him that 6 days to election is definitely not a time to sit on national television to make such repugnant accusations. Now the party chairman. Our simple question to the constituency chairman, Baba Yanku, is this. What work did he do for Kejemfua to to reward him with a brand new V8 Toyota Land Cruiser. 1 week after Honorable Amase has lost the primaries. Fellow Ghanaians, we have nothing to tell our party chairman. We have only one question for him, and I repeat, Baba Yankro, what work did you do for Kejimfua to reward you with a brand new V8 Toyota Land Cruiser 1 week after Amase has lost elections? For a party chairman, we respect him and we will leave it at that. Now the DCE. The DCE is one of the notable persons whose actions, inactions, utterances turned people against Akpetia MPP. Ladies and gentlemen, the DCE have not exercised any neutrality at all. He went on to make direct and indirect derogatory comments about Honorable Amase. For example, he said at one of his campaigns, and I quote, Akpetia deserves better. An MP like Kojo Oponkroma, that's whom we can be proud of. Someone who qualifies to hold the office of a minister, not just to add up to the numbers in parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Amase did not add up to numbers. She inspired and brought unprecedented development to us in Akpetia. The DCE, Secretary Frank, should have known that the decision, the passion and love of the people was offended and insulted with that statement, because he was insinuating that the people had not been wise in their 2016 decision. In politics, wisdom will leave the masses to laugh and be where they want to be until their idol is no more appreciated. To change their mind is a gradual process of respectfully introduce an alternative, not mockery, brutal force, slander, and maligning. This does not succeed, and the people will punish offenders of this rule. The Honorable DCE used his office to sabotage the MP by not honoring payment of the MP's common fund on time. The leadership of the Friends of Amase called the PC, in fact myself, I called the parliamentary candidate just a week to election to intervene on this sabotage as we work to dissolve the discomfort on the Amase camp and to bring unity. But as usual, he denied to take responsibility, that he cannot be blamed for that sabotage. Our DCE and chairman of the Security Council, District Security Committee, DISEC, went round from radio station to the other, giving assurance per his position he holds that, and I quote, by the 7th December, Yao and Eskumi will be the sole candidate on the ballot paper, and that this NDC candidate will be arrested any moment before the election. This, we believe, may have given some of our grassroots signal that leadership had a workable plan and therefore may not have to work in their respective communities. This is our closing remark, ladies and gentlemen. The parliamentary defeat was a statement from and by the people of Akpetia constituency, not an incitement by the MP Amase. This is evident in the fact that the president maintained his 5,000 winning gap from 2016, but the parliamentary candidate lost by 1,200, which by analysis tells you there were 6,200 plus people who wanted to keep the president in power, but rejected a replacement of Amase because they wouldn't trade her for nothing but justice for them and the cold betrayal of the cabal. We should appreciate that our politics is getting very dynamic and electorates are growing in their discernment by the day, such that few leaders of political parties cannot impose a candidate other than the choice of the people. Indeed, the voice of the people is the voice of God. Shame on the constituency, entire constituency executives, especially the party chairman, Baba Yankro. and the fortunes of the party with a V8 Land Cruiser Prado. Shame on the constituency secretary, he's my friend, who neglected the party when he was needed most. He should have stood firm for Amase to go independent. Shame on KGM4. Shame on all of us for letting us lose the MPP seat in Abuja. This is our declaration and we end our speech. We, the concerned members of MPP, we declare here and today that nobody can sack anybody from the party. And no one is leaving the party. We declare here and today that nobody can sack anyone from the party. And no one is leaving the party. We created the problem we see today, and it is a collective responsibility on all of us to find a middle ground to resolve the problem. Africa MPP will rise again. It will not fall. Thank you very much.
Na eye abatia mpatam ha parliamentary candidate no ni twa wodi ya no ni nyinala ya de babo chairman baba ya grow triso efisa wono ana wama enyoma we nyinala aba chairman baba ya grow etrike ama obi ehun se aya onipana ya de nabano ne ho won faso bebrese honorable Amase aya dan ana ba chama baba ya nkro ye wie ya no ano na wotwe primaries no onya brand new tier rubber Land Cruiser Prado every honorable madam Kate Abnajanfo a se wa jam wa tedi a me de ma onye every say what to Amase amaye sikani nyoma ye ne ba si yemfenye abato senya chairman kan ye no ye wo adansidie e wo ho evidence wo ho a e tre se ye kokko empehunfo bi dem a nyoma ne sika egu dem ho ye fra na ekufo ado se omrem na omaya auditing e wo nyoma na ode ma wo no e wa petia moto a ye de ba se ye fra kokko se ho nyina moto no wo ma nche ba kokra moto no any idea of the bus? No. Who pay them for? When you know, no one saying I put in a radio to say, yeah, honorable Amase and call for, and I 10 Yoma, and call for. Everything. So, open all the say, honorable MP, always in Ghana Bayana. And then, yes, I bet your mind and I say, and you go see, Yadiano, the Cassiano, and Papa, Chairman Baba Yaku. What in the food, and what they Land Cruiser Prado. Chairman, Secretary, Eugene Opoku Echampo, your friend Achi, and you got Sakasia and your command. So when you never found a yes, and Bema Masia, Pantan Crop. na why and of your baby will be a friend. Oh, Bowen to me, or be every party. Party, no, and yet, she said, why do I? Then you are back for a duma. Oh, Pianua, or if you know, I in a free party, and some phone call or more than Robinson for Framing. Almost one in Palma NDC. Almost Papa Nabaya. Almost one more Casano. Hey, I see you were free party to move. And you are one more Pamoa, more Pema, Messi to Moko. Almost a year, Messi Yang now where people know. Yeah, the boo boo as she said, as I said here.
Yes, so get it free when she and nearby. I chimp when she the wall and your wall and there's me the crow. The wall Ankasa and the Nado. And near ma a cross so green promise net time. Every sea and net. Yet kind, you will be kind. Actually, a party before. But look at car. I will say Abana twice them. And that's another car. I will say Abana dear you. Ya twice them. I must say no bow. I'ma say one more, the dearie, and the steam, I'm going to try and what. But near Caton said, party, yet the dumb and a, but who can we are all here? It's the other, or be to me, then to me so. I guess where you will be a free party. MPP, your buy, your back card, and Baba Bayan go say, only a year, your opinion, over your years. It's the catch that. Consuency organizer, for those who say, when you're Burma, and when you're free party, young people not, young people snap,
Emupa, Kapati no, Chamai, Chama Babako, what do you do? Yes, no way. Omami, Atia Babura, our campaign. Delegate, I am not about. Get your head to Mano. I am the friend of Mano. Get not tears to Mama Fair. I'm going to say, I'm going to say, Sama say, Lusua, I'm going to one net, I'm going to hot now. He said, I'm going to Lusua, I'm going to find Mamino. I'm going to buy you my year. I'm going to buy you my year. I didn't connect a lot for you. For your connect. I'm going to catch up. I'm going to watch my year. I'm going to watch my year. I'm going to say, you're free party. And I'm going to buy you a free party. I'm going to say you are every party. That's a man. Former Assembly Man Saddam. Now, the people are getting now for the sales and get them for. I need educated some more with them. Now, can we say this is it? I can hear it also with them before. The old man said, I can make an episode like this. I am a very pro, I give you a party. And the poor girls will really accept. Now, sorry, say you pass that from the side of the circle. As I said, I know, see that after a beautiful team. Was ya. So be here, then I'll come across the force and qualifiers. And somewhere in the woods, yes, that's a nice ally. One year, and now, but I am deceived. Now, so excellent, the kind of the one. Now, I have the year of the and let's see, come on, come and from here, they say, what we are, but you would be able to tell you what you did. Now, you're confident, I want to party here with you. Seven was the guy, I'm not yet chairman. I said, I'm not going to go around. Don't have to be there, and now, for the social, me, you will make my guys or buy my neighbor. Now, so I never get them for them in here, can come out for me as one organizer. And now, the moment you were even I want with you. Now, I'm just saying, I have before I said, I'm sure what was living for what we have. I'm never going to now, no more press conference. Almost say, Yama say for free. You can't jump so almost. Omani can you move free.
asa na ọmọ bá mi yẹ fẹ because ọmọ pẹsẹ mi nkùnmi ya ọmọ adé bọni ẹni ọmọ ahọ́n yẹ a ẹna bí party náà bá bẹ dúró bẹbí ẹ dúró yẹ bẹ kọ primaries mi yẹ delegate mi tó ọba níbi ahomati na ọ̀nà ẹna tam ababa yẹ kúrò fún mi kẹtẹ mi sẹ ọba àtàrí mi pẹsẹ ọtún ọba di tíya ọ̀nà bọ́ ọmọ sẹ ní ẹdí ẹ̀ ní sukùmí bá wúwi abirami fi ẹ̀ ní ọba di 1,000 Ghana cedis mi kẹtẹ sẹ chairman ọ̀nà bọ́ ọmọ sẹ wọ́n yẹ mi wọ́n ibi ẹ̀ tí mi tì mí tó ọba ẹ̀ ń fẹ́ ntìyà no ọ̀kẹtẹ mi sẹ ẹni ẹ ọbẹ̀ma obi ẹ̀kọ̀tìyà bẹ̀ẹ̀bi nípa ọbẹ̀tọ̀ ọbẹ̀ nyina ọmọdé bá kyerẹ no na ọmọ abẹ̀ni fie aba abẹ̀gye 1,000 wei so ati ase mi ọ̀nà tàmà bàbá yẹn kúrò mi kọ́ ni fie wọ́hyẹ̀ mi bọ́ ọ̀kẹ́kyẹ́ mi sẹ́ ọbẹ̀ fọ́ mi ẹ̀dùnmá yẹ tó ọba ni wia yẹ tó ọba ni wia mi tó ọba ni ma ọ̀nà bọ́ ọmọ sẹ́yìn no mi kọ́ ni wọ́n kọ́ mi sẹ́ ọ̀kẹ́kyẹ́ mi sẹ́ akora yẹ tó fún náà wọ́n ti a ẹni ẹ̀ wọ́n ní ẹ̀dùnmá bi a ọ̀dẹ́ ma mi ọ̀kẹ́kyẹ́ mi sẹ́ mi tó ọba ma yẹ ọ̀nà ẹ̀sùkú mi mà tó ọma no ma kọ́tọ́ ọma ma sẹ́ di a ẹ̀dùnmá náà fà mí ní òkàsẹ́ yìí mi ti fie mi ní ẹ̀dùnmá bi a ẹni tó ọma dé bọ̀ ni ẹni ọmọ nípa bọ̀ ni ẹni mi ẹ̀ kú sàlá kẹ jẹun fún ọ̀sẹ̀ mi bọ́lá ọ̀ pàtẹ́ no ẹni ẹ̀dí pàtẹ́ no abá bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn bẹ̀bí ẹ̀dù ètò bí ètò bí yóò bí ẹ̀ bìbí a ọ̀ bí ẹ̀ bí ẹ̀ yóò bí ẹ̀ ṣe na bá yẹ ẹ̀ fọ́nù wà lánàá mẹsì àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ ìfọ́ mọ́ mi ẹ̀ ti no because wọ́n tẹ́tí wọn náà bú àmà sẹ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n ní Facebook wọ̀ wọ́n sì bẹ̀bí àmà sẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́ bẹ̀bí àná ọ̀bá wọn tu ọ̀tù wọ̀ họ́ ètò wọn ẹ̀ nípa ìfọ́ mọ́ mi ẹ̀ ti no ẹ̀yẹ́ ní kyẹ̀ yà.
Isaac Pedo Amoesi but o hwɛ mi wɔ akotia kɔnso ɛsɛ bi a obi anim yɛ tornado enu obi ti sɛ me de ana me di yaw paa me yaw di a me di ne so so efisɛ political party yɛ di nipa yɛ di nipa yɛ na me da sɔre a da na me ti sɛ yɛsi yɛ press conference bi wɔ akotia wɔ MPP party office anim no that day no na me so me yare a yagye me ato hospital eti eyi me a me ba abɔnten the meti bia yese enye de me ankasa me de masote enti me ntumi nka no ensi me bo na enso yese okoto sa atrofo mienu anakokonsa fo mienu etro edi ntra na akokonsa eden anokra wom na mmom ebi na de beka ho me strength the whole Ghana media and the whole constituency executives yen grassroots for because me can say me can grassroots because if you say me ni position be our party me call primaries omu choice come here to abetia me because the supporter amasi for 2015 and then obi a supporter amasi 2015 obe preposition constituency ndia ye be tue sika ni ato abetia wo eye no kra ebemu ema ye nya sponsors ema me fa nkrofo kra fi akotia ne apraman ne baby ni na ekowie say the day I vote to omu choice keti am say yento abenti am ampa ye tuti am me jitu na me refer ye DCE said Greek crime say ni refer no am refer no na asem we want e be me yapa the day obeja ka kire say ye president say ni winning team onyibi mfim na the one ya all the DCE say ni winning team no DC abe mistake na ba ku kra be lusu afim no no obi ka ye president so tia mpacho asem adwen hu ye said big crime ye DC and e kan na meti ho because na me ye candidate meti ho o kan me jitu mu et even constituency executive ni po mu lusu ye no ye mom appointment obi no film ye deputy secretary o lusu ye Olusuma young boy because na ejuma nsweni ejuma oye o party na ye nkrofo time nti on to abeti am esu ye chesi kama no say omo ntoma ne if na ye list omo ye say ye nto abama ye deputy secretary so ye to abeti am opon bibia no say na be ya ye DC ye be protectivity mo man appoint ye jitu na then na winning team the general secretary obatampa amase ono e general secretary ma winning team no ono dia who DC any the whole constituency executives ma turn back against her ade bia me ja ke obi ti say me your party ba power me nya adwuma da because of say yes ma ko support amase or primaries general election na yisika me tofu egu kan mu fa nkwa mu yesenti party ni mu executives ama time is up to now me nya adwuma da de bia me adwuma o ba bia NDC for say otorado say de osum kuro no me obi a me som nipa mensom party me MPP nipa ba mensom party me sum nipa me sremo asemu ya asemu mu odu omo ka se omo kan me one mate ewo me nua kitwa bia no on de me mbo ni din me ko wanchi na wanchi hin e di ni festival mi jaw me nua owusu ene penfo me bia no mo na mo ya miensa amo se obi obefi akotia abasa obepre parliamentary candidate ombe kwantia
tini kwakwa
amama dwen wen se enyunti na omukuti ame tse me na ade e ba kwa mbe se national executive meeting party na wono enye obi ade a yeti party 1992 ye beti wa kotia me ofa ye family house enye yi party ye store back with the party so mo fa ye party office wenchi na ye NDC for biggest seater omo fendi agro because 1990 NS kumi and na ODMP ne papa be DCE e wa NDC ticket mu e wenchi no bi obema wenchi sisan obema wenchi sisan ye bla penny kisi ye regional chairman kisi abra obe pre MPP MP position no and when you was ye dey abade a ye support no and ya support na be do ne it mesra mo se kisi to me change wenchi dia and the case esu change takrase se kisi we to me change wenchi ama wenchi from ye NDC for and normal be than MPP for ama to me body ka se wenchi e MPP strongholder Kate Sunzisa takrase na takrase so meye MPP stronghold me pese party no ye be chichem na me yiwed ni de omo de ba wa hwa na be da ma se press conference say na okan yankota okoyechi MPP for ba ne momo no I say dodo na yanto aba
na se nyese one to ama NS kumi nso one to ama okoyo
me toma nanado
all right auto parliamentary no sorry auto presidential but one to parliamentary
the mean to ma okoyo mean to manage because NS kumi na minimu no obi a minimu no say the mean to aba ma no
okay
ni nyina ne say na nsem bia na o mo camp no keka no in fact na enye abodo so because if you be am gina o say na kwala ketekete tim be gina mani keka nsem bi wonto agya ne ana bi interview call you join news say he can win without amasi and so say she bufo kakra na ni nyina ne say party na yabusia me kan say I say busia nti na busia say wo mo na bi say busia kra wo mo na bi nkoye ma otimi jai right ase na nyoma bi a na yekoso no say ye to aba ni wie kra na ehun say amasi na lusu a ke any problem but you say when lusu recount so ani pa bi si party ni yomo de to mo ma no maso nti e mo de ya to aba anya say bia ye ko okoyo afa na say ya ko okay ba na nkasa na ya ni nim say papa na do na to aba na and say ye ko massive
okay now the bottom line is I must say executives Okromo MPP executives led by Baba Yankro chairman osiamo yi amase the party ni say then am work afan
awadwe no mo kire ana Africa with opinions are like onions opinions are like noses obi and watch na dwen so mo yi afri mu a nti about what time so na ye koto aba ni di line so so meba be yi afri mu a you say no so meba be yi afri mu na I want to be yi afri mu then o maka o ma kire o ma dwen nti no o ma yi afri mu a ye ne nti kra na o mo so na ha na do so be yi o mo mu afri mu ya de gina na so MPP for na party ni so yi afri mu na afri mu kina ye wumpa obi antimi yi efrim
all right bilim te video wa de be kan na afri
video ho pa
kan ene be wo bo so bia kan
me za metie ya PC no join news
okay
say honorable amase ya anye campaign ama no nyoma bibiri ba busan se mi se onipa no waka so you can succeed with or without hair so what form campaign team so on ka ho no fine no be campaign ma as asema me kese ati mase what form campaign team one fananka what san kan national I mean international media like I say multimedia so we bet me win without hair ono so hu se eh sana ko yi ka dia okay ne se ne nana do dia na bi na to so hwe campaign course wo Ghana ha nyina eh form of nana ya anti MP bia na PC bia di wom enti ye form of nana no eno a na edi so ana ye campaign nyina ma nana enti lose no mo fa blame no man na me post we crawl me Facebook he say when operational monies are kept in individual packets in any competition the end result is what we got. What I say mini pebi a o ma discuss say every people e koto aba mo bi kakra e bia ofiri nkran ba ya o kwa no de alore fe ko enipa ne jiska no e de koto ufie e be bo no nsa gina police station no hwe o mo e koto aba. And the second issue is say the entire bebre anto aba no your delegates your friends say primary say you call yi e bj 5000 e binya 4000 and sika bebre plus flash screens ni ade just one vote what the 5000 akonya one vote me ana me nkogina wia so enkoto aba no free ndi bebre so onto so no so nya 5000 bi onto enu na ye adwuma akote constituency na Ghana for so me say Ghana the whole Ghana MPP the best sua de akote ya ni for me na the best sua de pa na ya sesa kwan ya fa so yi pieces so imposition na omo impose candidate on us no they should stop it. Okay, I'm party no.
Okay, me MVP ni stronger MVP ya wo me MVP ni. The family wo kuma obi a dey the friends quite by wo no be any no. But dey pechi. Ache the brepa from 2000 ayeto aba. Yo city go kuma say I mean primary school MPP NDC we need that. MPP seat. But me mistake be bre I won say MPP NDC ko win MPP seat oh primary school on. No go can ogusu organize ogusu catch me say go for buafu say ogusu nya nyom kaso ogusu kan so mo nto aba mo mfa mo me na ogusu betimi ade no catch me say o mo nto so mo mfa mo no mo nko ampa so mo mfa mo no mo ko ai no mo to na ma NDC union sa city well private school on two chairman what o mo ti ono o mo nya organize o mo yamba be ko won sa kire ye mo ska e no mo te party office ono Vija ko tianzo mo obi agwade bra wie da nya from medical concern man no 100 Ghana na 50 Ghana no man diska no di ko ko sa kire e na ma ko tia city ni elusi enti sana do obi ya office ono e wo say ye ne pam office ono especially DC no tiso no DC no obi DC ko twa kwan obo kade ko twa kade o ko twa kwan obo dia no o si ohin ma oska anso twa kwan DC obo dia hin ma oso o mo oska anso o hwe we now about my pen not to open the years on penny. The is not so dear as you to be fuel. Let's go to Citiano. Okoyo, Obebo Gabi, Okrumasi.
The friend Kwaku, because if you could take Gusto, let me say, Vice Conference in my Kosovo, Akutia. Yes, so yes, you was it which I had. But the master me how you say, KJM Fua, who you more organizer. Never be your badge and also bought Bano Bino. Who your body seen change by Mama. That's a woman who my ma. Who know my ma. Why can be a kid or party? Never can I find out. For 2015, I must say, we need promise. And I go to Tana to make a belong one more cent. Yeah, but I'm chance more by a check. So what I said, why no bus our party? Can first time we party in Capon Party. Then it's if you know Sarkas is webby. Near Cranias. Say, Mamma, here, Crabina Sarkas is web more. What I say, say, name moves also we here for party, a year for party. Just to quite also some. Say, we go to another year to Mano, every Munyan and Afghan's Comedia, 18,000 plus, more 3,000 plus, more getting it. Yes, she won't come in about, but Mum organize our usage also we have a party. Yet, better you for every party. It is 1% carbon badia, and when furniture moment is one. Won't come for some bedroom, they are done here, you have for floor, let us be about. I could take consuation. Said now, and I'm going to be 2 years. One for Papa. Yan yet me a campaign money Papa power. Make a 20 offense 2000. I kissy, but I guess me cars BMW. Manamania see me kissing me, Kufonia, yes, my bansini. Get to work, and your mamma. And here is I did to work. When I'm touch. Now this come over Bianation, but to about Tangana. All this can you come fear about the seat. Movie am so bad and Pama say, and a mamma we know a loose seat. That's any papa coupé. Now when you part don't when you know it's called Bian. No to the MPP party, Mamma minister, apart from I say no MPP akotia the person penifo ne te some say no no akotia MPP ni wo eti penifo no no mo say akotia MPP ni ti ani am say get on go so you mo di djuma bia mai o mo ni dom eti ye pese kan no masima no
ya media make can say penifo no mo kusuro o mo hwe no mo siesie asem no because so ma hwe no man siesie asem be di yenya 2024 be di yenya enti say mo hwe na mo siesie mo hwe penifo no mo amugusuro if you regional edi be si national edi ba be si akotia constituency ya se mo hwe na mo siesie asem wi a e be di yenya daachi ama ko fan sem bi mo ba di se mo pedi a mo siesie asem no say be ya nyina ye kuma beto yem because aba no eya bufuo na nipa de koto ye enye skirt and blouse na no mo ka skirt and blouse bufuo na mo de to ye me say me the to presidential man to parliament ade ti da wo say ba ne sa eti mo hwe na mo siesie asem penifo na mo so man hwe na mo siesie asem na ko fa we ba 2024 be di enya be da mas